Hi everyone, I hope you all can see me and let me just check that. Alright, it looks like we are live. Great. Alright. Hi everyone, welcome to another Tuesday Talk session with Aniket. That's me. Alright, so let's get started. Today, what I wanted to talk about is every single time you've always wondered how do we create professional videos, and you always require a professional graphic designer, or you need somebody who is an animator and things like that. But what's been happening over a period of time is that a lot of things are getting easier, right? So you have got Facebook platform that's come up with something called as Creative Hub. You've got Canva that's come up with something like so Canva has its own video editors that you can actually use online just by they've actually built up teams and they've basically come up with stuff. Similarly, off late, and this is very recent, this is about at least about a month back, maybe like 3 weeks to a month back, YouTube launched their own video builder as well. So, what we're going to do as part of this particular Tuesday talk is that we're going to explore the YouTube video builder. Most of you will not have seen it. Because primarily it's in beta, and if you've already seen it, great. Wait until the end. I have some exclusive announcement to make, something that could blow your mind as well, and that's something that you can wait for it. But for those of you who are excited to create some kind of quick videos all by yourself, you can actually use them for your own personal branding, or you can actually use them to make some promos, or you can give your hands and give a trial at that. It's all for free. So there is absolutely no charge by YouTube as well. But there are a few steps that you need to take when you basically get to it. So one, you need a YouTube channel or a YouTube account to basically get something like this done. So primarily, your Gmail account can be a YouTube account, and from there you need to create a channel. So that's your first primary requirement that you will require. And then we have what we have is basically you need to get permission for YouTube Video Builder. Now, in order to basically have a permission for YouTube Builder, all you have to do is go on the web, search for YouTube Video Builder, and place a request. So let's get started on that right away. Okay. So I'm currently going to the web, and I'm heading over there. So this is basically how the YouTube Video Builder will look. So what you need to do is you just need to go to YouTube Video Builder, search for that, and when you hit enter, you will get this first link from Google. Now this was launched on April 14th, 2020. So this is when they had actually launched it. So that's almost about a month and a half now, right? And you can click on that, and from there you will be able to find a blog article from them, right? And what it shows you is basically how it actually works, and has a bit of reading there, so you can kind of explore all of that, and then you can come straight down here and have a look at this and do a sign up for access here. So it will give you a form that you will have to fill, and you kind of fill that, and once you're done with that, it will basically give you it will send you an email like this one, where you will have something like comes like this, where they say you now have access to YouTube Video Builder. That's what it will tell. And you will basically have this bit where you can say that easily turn images into images and videos and add that into the video builder. So easily turn images and text into video builder. So all you need right now is images, and you need basically copy. So let's get started with that, and you will be able to finish this in at least like 15 minutes. All right. And I'm going to basically do it right in front of you because I've done it several times right now. So I'm just going to do it very quickly. So what we do from here is you head over to go to video builder, and which I've already kept it open here. So this is the place that you will land when you open up video builder. And if you notice over here, it's still in beta, so it's still on the test phase. It's not completely published, and it's not open to everyone. It's open to only selected people. So if you've able to manage to reach this far, it means that you're already among the selected people to try this out. All right. So, and here's what you have. You have all of these layouts that you can see, that you can use them, right? So I have over here, you can see the kind of copywriting as copies as well as the text, and that's like a quick introduction of like you can talk about your product. And there are multiple various ways of how you can have your text elements play around with images, and this is one of the other ways. So you can actually create this kind of a video just by adding text, and it tells you what is required. It also tells you like 6 images, 2 logos, 6 text areas. That's what you need. Over here it tells you saying 4 images plus logo, and 6 text areas. So it's already telling you what you require, right? So let's go down here and you can see something like this. So if you want to create like a story video, this is how you can see how easy it is to actually promote an app in a story format, like a vertical format, right? So that's what it is, and you can explore all the other patterns that are over here. There are like several patterns over here, in terms of whether it's the kind of animations or whether it's the kind of effects that you can see. All you have to do is just play around with the images and post your images right there. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to pick this one quickly, and create something right away. So I'm just going to start off right away. I'm just going to click on that. It tells me saying that this is the kind of video it will create. It will show me the video in demo as well. And then we're going to head over to and tell saying that, okay, I need 1 logo, 5 images, and all of that. So here's where we are. We are now in the new logo builder, or sorry, the new video builder. That's what it says. So I'm quickly going to select my image, which is the image of Xavier's Academy. So let me just look at that. I'll find the image first, right? So I found the image. I'm just going to open that up. And I'm going to select the image from the logo here. So let me just pick up that color. I'm just going to double click that, and I'm done with that. I'm going to go down, and I've got to basically add all the images. So you can see over here the image 1, and you can see image 1 written somewhere over here. So yeah, so this is the place where the image will come, and there are these text elements as well. So I'm just going to add in all the images that I have kind of shortlisted right now to be put, and it also tells you in case you're missing out on dimensions. So for now, I'm just gonna kind of quickly use some of the images that I had already kind of created. It could be something that these are some of the past images. This is just to show you as an example, and you can see how that particular bit goes. So let's pick some images. All right. So so these are some of the images that are here. So I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick a lengthy image. So again, let's pick this one. I'm going to pick one kind of horizontal kind of an image. So let's pick this one. And okay, that's okay. And I'm going to pick this one, which is another square image. So let me pick another one of those. So maybe like that. Right. And we'll pick another image, where it always tells you what kind of image it is, so you can actually pick those. Okay, so it's telling me images must be 2 MB or less, because that's comparatively a bigger image. So let me look at some other image over here. So let me pick this one, right? So now it's telling me saying that the image is slightly smaller, so it might be odd. So now I've done that, all I have to do is basically add the text. Now, considering that most of you would be marketers as part of who are listening to this program, text comes naturally to you, so you can obviously start putting that. So I've currently created something like this, and I'm going to just add those elements here because I've already created them. So it says text 1, which is text 1A here. This is text 1A large main message, text 1, text 2 up to 32 characters, and then there is text 1B up to 30 characters. So I'm just going to paste all the ones that I have created, but this is something that you can do at your own pace as well. So I'm just going to create that text 3. Let me add that. Right. So now that I've done with that, then there is text 3B, which says original price, and text 3C, which is, so in case you would have, if you have gone through the through the video ones, you will get to see that there is a price factor here. Now I don't have a price that I want to highlight, so I'm just going to put a dot so that it kind of adds like an element which you will see once the video is processed. And then I have this particular part which is 3a, so I'm just going to copy that bit again, which I have already created here, and paste that. And then the call to action, I will say sign up now, right? The fonts, I'm going to leave it as is. I'm not going to kind of change that. And I can obviously select the music. This is all copyright free music, so you don't have to worry about, what kind of music is it going to be. I'm just going to play that. So that's the kind of music that it's going to play, right? So I can shift that into something like this, right? So different musics, and you can actually pick up whatever you want here. There's a huge list that's out there that you can actually create. All right. So currently I'm going to select the first one, which goes with this layout. So let's get started, and then I just hit create video. Right. So that's all there is. It's actually creating my video right now, and once that's done, we are done with a professionally created video. I don't know how long it took. I think for me currently it took me much lesser time, because we started somewhere around 8:08 and it's currently 8:12. So it kind of took me like 4 minutes or 5 minutes to just show you this. But that's also because I had all my copies ready. See that? As simple as that. And you're done. So that's how easy it is to actually come up with creatives. I just picked some images randomly. Maybe I could actually improve on those images, and so can you, because when as a marketer, for you it's more like it's going to be just like, okay, if you don't like the image, you'll find something new, and you'll find something instantly. But that's how fast you can actually create a video. Now I've just created this video in like 5 minutes, but I'm sure that it could actually extend to like a 15 minutes or so, provided you're kind of playing around with the kind of copies, provided you kind of check out on the layout as well, and you decide what kind of copies that you want to add on and stuff like that. But for all of this, you don't really require a designer anymore. A lot of these kind of templates are coming up. So YouTube has started this. Facebook has started, like I said earlier, Facebook has also started something called as the Creative Hub. And Canva already has some amazing templates as well that you can edit and process these videos, right? So that's going to be the future. At the end of it, a lot of people are going to kind of create all of these and make them as editable format that you can add on to videos that you can personally create and kind of push out an output. So once you're done with here, if for those people are wondering whether you can download these videos, yes, you can. So all you have to do is just do a save video. It comes into your YouTube studio, which is your YouTube channel, under the private or the unlisted. And once it's there, there will be an option over there to download the video, so that you can use this on other platforms as well. You can use this on WhatsApp, you can use this on Facebook, you can use this on Facebook group, you can use it anywhere, right? So that's basically it. So that's basically what I wanted to cover as part of the Tuesday Talk session. All right. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Currently, this particular YouTube video builder is not for all. It's still under a beta, so you will have to send in a request. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, right? And yeah. Is there voiceover possible in video builder? No, not right now, not at least not at the moment. But here's what you can do. You can always download that and then edit it, probably using an iMovie or something, and put your own voice. If you want to do something like this, there's an alternative as well. So download this particular video. There is a platform which is on your phone. It's an app. It's a free app called it's called something. I think it's called InShot, right? So you can use it on your app, which is your mobile phone app. Download it there and then remove the audio. So you can do that in the InShot app, and then upload your own voice onto the video. So that's possible. You can have your own custom content created, but that's not currently in this particular YouTube video builder. There's an alternative way to actually do this as well. You can go to the YouTube studio and the YouTube creator where you can actually edit it. So let me just show you that. I'm just going to click cancel here, and I'm going to go to the YouTube builder. Good, you kind of asked me about this. So let me just go to my channel, right? So let me just go to my channel, and I'll show you something like that, something that you've asked me. So let me just go back to my channel. So you can't edit or add that voice inside YouTube, but you can definitely do it um, as part of editing it. So let's so once I'm here, I go to my YouTube studio, and over here I have a lot of creator tools that I get. So I can look at the videos that I have uploaded. So as you can see, this is one of the videos, right? So now over here, I've created this video already. This was something that I created earlier. Now I can come over here to something called as editor. I can click on that, and then it gives me a full-fledged editing tool, right? So obviously you can look at adding some of your voices here and making something with it, right? So this is something that you can do. You can add a voice here, you can add audio here, you can select the audio from here, right? So that is something that you can do. See here, it says add or replace. So this is something that I created earlier, but you can actually add or replace voice from here. Okay, and then obviously there is the InShot tool that you can use, and that's something that you can use remotely. So you don't actually have to worry anything about wondering whether you can actually use your voice. There are several tools out there which are free to use, so you can basically use that. Can we make videos for Instagram here? Yes, you can. I mean, all these videos can be used anywhere. So once you have actually used them, once you have actually created this video, you will be able to put them up on Instagram or any other platform. So there is no limit to trying to figure out whether you want to kind of use the video in just YouTube, or you can just go and download the video altogether. So that's basically something that you can do. So let me just show you that as well. Yeah, so you can come here and more actions and download. So you can download this video. It'll just it'll just add to your laptop or computer, and then you can upload it. So every time you publish the data, it'll directly go as unlisted, and then you will have to manually go to your YouTube studio and then change it and upload it to basically get it online. So that's something that you can do. So let's get started with the next part of the session.